Hi, guys, congratulations on successfully completing the reservation task for Liquid Wave. The official phase of the campaign has now started. I will be demonstrating on the testnet, and kindly invite everyone to follow along with this tutorial video to learn how to participate in the official phase of the campaign. First, click on LST Campers next to Liquid Wave. Before doing so, kindly ensure that your address is properly connected, as Bifrost supports both EVM and substrate addresses. You have the option to click Disconnect in order to switch to the address of a different network. The overall campaign page is designed to be quite straightforward, featuring sections for total campaign data display, personal waypoints and rewards, and finally, a task board. There is only one rule for the campaign: you need to accumulate as many wave points as possible to share in the BNC prize pool. First, let's explore the quickest way to earn wave points, which is the most popular method, participating in Bifrost Liquid Staking. If you hold any tokens such as Manta, ASTR, GLMR, or DOT, you can click Go to Mint to directly participate in Bifrost Liquid Staking. This will allow you to earn wave points based on different minting ratios corresponding to your holdings. If you participate in liquid staking using an EVM address, after clicking Go to Mint, you will engage in minting on the supported EVM Omni LS using the target chain. On the other hand, if you are using a substrate address for liquid staking, after clicking Go to Mint, you will be interacting with liquid staking tokens on the Bifrost Polkadot network. As there is a limit to the amount of each token available for liquid staking during the campaign, it is advisable to participate as early as possible. Once the liquid staking limit for each token is reached, we will unfortunately no longer be able to offer wave points to new stackers. It is worth mentioning the governance feature of Bifrost LST. After participating in any DOT governance referenda, you will receive a 10% staking points bonus. We highly recommend that you experience the benefits of retaining governance rights with LST. Now, I will demonstrate how to liquid stake tokens on Bifrost using a substrate address, taking VDOT as an example. After clicking Go to Mint, you will be directed to the Bifrost dApp. On the right side, please enter the amount of DOT you wish to liquid stake, then click Stake to complete the on-chain signing and confirmation process. Return to the Liquid Wave campaign page and wait a few minutes to check if the wave points have been credited to your address. Now, we can proceed to experience DOT governance by clicking Go to Vote. Please select any referendum to enter the voting process. Enter the amount of DOT you wish to use for governance participation, and then click Vote. Return to the Liquid Wave page and refresh the page to see that the points from the liquid staked DOT are now displayed. The governance buff will require an additional minute to reflect. Now, let's explore 3 other ways to earn wave points. First, you can invite friends by clicking Invite to Earn. After successfully inviting a friend, you will receive an extra 10% of the points they earn each time they liquid stake tokens on Bifrost. Additionally, if you have participated in Bifrost campaigns in the past and accumulated a significant number of Raindrop old points, it might be time to convert them into new wave points. Simply click Convert here and complete the on-chain signing. The new points will be added to your total points. After completing these tasks, if you find that your points have reached 1000 wave, congratulations! You will receive an additional reward of 300 wave points. This is our way of rewarding addresses that first reach the 1000 points level. These are the rules of the campaign. Wave points can be exchanged for BBBNC after the entire Liquid Wave concludes. BBBNC serves as a dividend certificate for the revenue generated by the Bifrost protocol under Bifrost Tokenomics 2.0. Don't miss the opportunity to participate and share in the BNC prize pool.